Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi teachers and friends. My name is Malika Fahma Zinipelo from class 6. Today I will explain my trip to school. Take Dr. Latumetan Street. Strike toward Sultan Babullah Street. Strike toward the Grand Al-Fatah Mosque and Aipati intersection. Strike toward the Gone pass of Panjai Road. Then toward the Talukabesi Road. Turn right toward the Santika Street. Then take the corner of General Sudirman, then turn right toward the Santika Hotel. Take the corner of the Cove Garden, turn toward the Medlin School. Striker, turn left past Junior Hill School. Striker past the beautiful Devi Grill Fort. Strike to Grading School. Striking to break until we at meet. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.